You think how long?
What I would do if I was you, get a chunk of wood and cut this opening down from here to here.
A reducer?
And here to here.
Okay.
Then that'll keep robin bees from getting in there.
Okay.
And then you just keep this super and then add another super on top of this one if you want to.
Okay.
Let this one fill up and then I'd harvest it, or you can put another super on top of it.
Okay.
And harvest all at the same time.
All right.
That's your call.
They're doing good though, aren't they?
Oh, they're doing great. They're fixing to get into some good honey.
Okay.
That's summertime honey.
Yeah.
You're in good shape.
Anna Marie loves to watch them fly in and out. So I record when I come down because these are her bees. And she says it's a honey house. It's not a honey hive.
I see what she knows.
So
Can't argue with women.
no. I want one with a little bit of. I want one with pollen.
These bees are active. You got a good size. You got a good queen right now.
Okay. So, when do you think I should check again to see if they capped it?
Well, you don't care when they cap this one, because you're going to try to fill this one up, if that was your question.
Yeah, okay.
This one here is capped.
Oh, this one's ready?
Yeah, it's ready. But you don't want to pull it yet, you want it to dry.
Okay.
So what you do is, it takes about a week to dry.
Okay.
So what I would do is nothing. I leave this just like it is.
Okay.
And the only problem that you have is if you get robber bees.
Okay.
And that's why I said put the reducer in there, that cuts down.
Okay.
And unless your queen leaves or something swarms, that makes no big deal. Of course, you're going to keep an eye on it.
Yeah.
If the bees leave, get your honey out.
Okay.
Or somebody else will come and get it.
Okay.
And I'd go ahead and try to fill this super up.
Okay.
It may take mid-July
Okay.
to get it full.
Before I do anything with this one?
Yeah. Then what I would do is extract both of these.
All right. When I pull those off, I put another one on, right? Or would that be it for the...
No. If you pull these off, put one of these back on.
Okay, because I got two more.
Yeah, but that's... And if we have a good supply, you may want to build... You can put 4 or 5 supers on this thing.
I was thinking about maybe possibly getting